Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasge Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard math subject. Yes, what we have solved in our last session? Yes, we have solved our exercise 4.6a, b and we have started C also. First story sums I have solved and the second one I asked you to solve. I hope you all have solved. Now I will solve third one for you. See, what is the third one? The school bus picks up Sujata from her house at 8:35 a.m. and leaves her at home at 9:20 a.m. So how long is Sujata in the bus? Leaves her at school, not at home, at school. So you do come by bus, some students, isn't it? So when you will leave for school from home, for example, they had given one girl, that is Sujata. So she leaves, the bus takes from her house at 8:35 a.m. and when she will reach to school at 9:20 a.m. So we have to find out between these both the times. So just observe that here we have both the time in same, that is am and am. So what you have to do? Yes, tell me. But here we need to see that the time between this both the number. First we have to write the given information. The school bus picks up Sujata at 8:35 a.m. and leaves her at 9:20 a.m. So we need to find out between this both the time how much time the bus takes. Okay, so here 8:35 after what will come, students? 9 o'clock sharp, isn't it? Then what will come next? 9:20. So what is the time between this? See, 8:35 to 9. Yes, just imagine the clock in front of you, or else I can show you the clock here also. I do have. See, 8:35 means 8:35 something here. So from here 9 o'clock means it should come on 12 o'clock. So how many minutes? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So here 25 minutes. And 9 to 9:20 means exactly 20 minutes. So we have to add both the minutes. 25 plus 20 means 45 minutes, isn't it? So what is the answer here? 45 minutes. So how much time, how long is Sujata in the bus? So right here, Sujata in the bus for 45 minutes long. Clear? Yes? Easy? Yes, very easy. Now we will move to the next concept. We are going to study about finishing and starting time. See, given the start time and the duration of an activity, we can find the finishing time of the activity. So how we can find out the finishing up activity? If they had given start and the duration. See, if they had given start and the duration, we can find out the finishing time. Similarly, if given the finishing time and the duration, we can find out start time also. Okay, start and duration, if they give, we can find out finishing time, and if they are given finishing time as well as duration, duration, we can find out the starting time. Now we will see with the example. See the first example. Amina started studying at 11:30 a.m. See the girl Amina, she started her studying at 11:30 a.m. She studied for 2 hours 40 minutes. At what time did she finish studying? Yes, we have to find out that how much time, not how much time, they are given how much time she studied, 2 hours 40 minutes. We have to find out that at what time she finished the study. See, first write 11:30 a.m. then see they are given 1:30 p.m. Between this how much time is there? 2 hours. And 2, see after 1:30 you have to go for 40 minutes. So if you go for 40 minutes, 1:30 after 1:40, 1:50, then 2 o'clock, then 2:10. It becomes 40 minutes, isn't it? So here it ends at 2:10 p.m. See, since Amina worked past 12 noon a.m. change into p.m. This is also very important. a.m. and p.m. they are given the started time at 11:30 a.m. See, once she started at 11 o'clock, the noon will come, then it convert into p.m. So while writing, if you are writing here 1:30 a.m. to 2:10 a.m., the answer will be wrong. So keep in your mind that, see what you have to do, they had given the starting time, that is 11:30, and the duration. So first convert into 2 hours. So 11:30, 2 hours means 12:30 and 1:30, and again they are given 40 minutes. So from 1:30, 40 minutes you have to count. So whatever will come we have to write. So 1:30 after, yes, 40 minutes means first 2 o'clock, isn't it? 2 o'clock means 1:30 after 2 o'clock means 30 minutes exactly. Then after that 10 minutes means 2:10. Isn't it clear? Yes, very good. See, very easy. They will give 2 information, we have to find out remaining one. Now see the reverse one. Deepak took 1 hour 40 minutes to complete his maths test. If he finished at 12:10 p.m., what time did he start? Now they are given duration and the finishing time. Now we have to find out the start time. Okay. Now see, Deepak starts at what time? They are not given. He have ended at 12:10 p.m. and the duration is 1 hour and 40 minutes. Just go back. What do you have to do? You have to go back. Now 12:10 p.m. students here. So 1 hour back, 1 hour 40 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes we have to go back. So for that 12:10, 1 hour back means 11:10. But what you will write, p.m. or a.m.? a.m. will come because 12:10, 1 hour before means 1 hour before means it comes 12, then before that it is a.m. only, isn't it? So 11:10 a.m. and again how much time we have to go back? 40 minutes. See here 11, if we remove 10 minutes and again 30 minutes, 11 before 30 minutes means 10:30. So this is 10:30. It is total is 40 minutes. Clear? Since Deepak started work at 12 noon p.m. changes to a.m. This is very important, which you have to keep in your mind. Okay? Clear? Yes. Now we will solve our exercise 4.7. A question. What is the A question? Find the time. The first example. 20 minutes after 4:50 p.m. See, the question is we have to find out the time. See, 20 minutes after 4:50 p.m. See, 4:50 after 20 minutes. So, see, 4:50. The next, just we have to go for 20 minutes. So, what I'll do, I'll go with 10 minutes here. 4:50 after it become 5. It is 10 minutes, isn't it? See, 4:50 if we add 10 minutes here, I get 60. 60 means we have to convert into hours only, isn't it? That is 5 o'clock. Then 5, 10. I have added here again 10 minutes. Okay? So, are you getting this? Yes. So, now I have added 20 minutes in 4:50 p.m. So, what is the answer here final? Answer is 5:10 p.m. Clear? Yes? Very good. The next example I'll solve for you. Now I'll take third one for you. See, third one, 8 hours 40 minutes. After 10 a.m. 8 hours 40 minutes after 10 a.m. Now, just we have to count 8 hours 40 minutes after 10 a.m. So, write here 10 first, okay, 10. The next, what will come? 11. How many hours we have to go in this way? 8 hours. Here 1 completed, now 2 means 12. Now 1, 3 hours completed, then 2, then 3, then 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours completed, then 5, 7 hours completed, then 8. Here I have completed 8 hours. 6 o'clock, then 40 minutes. 6, if we add 40 minutes in 6, we get 6:40. Here I have added 40 minutes. So what is the answer here? See, it started at 10 a.m. It is a.m. Then after this is noon. 12 is noon. After that what will come, students? p.m. Keep in your mind. Very, very important. Okay. So the answer is, what is the answer? 6. It is 6:40 p.m. Clear? What I have done? Shall I repeat once again? 8 hours 40 minutes after 10 a.m. we have to find out the time. I have started writing by 10 a.m. 10 after 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why I have stopped at 6 o'clock? Because here we have completed 8 hours. 10 to 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, how many minutes we have to take? 40 minutes. So I have taken just 40 minutes. That is 6 to 6:40. Okay. So what is the time? 6:40 a.m. or p.m.? It is p.m. Why? Because it started at a.m. and in between 12 came, 12 noon it is, then after that all become PM. Clear? Very good. Now I'll solve B question. What is the B question, students? Same. Find the time only. But question is 3 hours after, sorry, not after here. Before they had given. Before 4:30 AM. See, just now we have done after. Now we have to come before. Okay? So, here what you will do? See, 3 hours you have to come. So, I suggest you do right side 4:30. Okay? Then come back before. What is before 4:30? 3:30. It is 1 hour. The next 2 hours means it is 2:30. Then again come back 1 more hour. Then it become 3 hours. Okay? See how many hours we have to come before 4:30? 3 hours. See, I came before 3 hours. So what is the time here? 1:30 AM only, because 12 did not come 8. Okay? So what is the answer here? 1:30 AM. Clear? Yes. The next example I will solve for you. Now same third one, I will go with third one. 8 hours before, 8 hours 20 minutes they had given. Okay, I'll rub this full. 8 hours 20 minutes before 6:10 PM. So we have to come back fully 8 hours. So try to write at the end. Okay, I'll write here. Fully I have to come 8 hours. So what I'll do here? See students, there are 2 ways, but better I'll go with this only. 5:10 only I'll go. 1 hour, 5:10, 2 hours means 4:10, 3 hours means 3:10, 4 hours means 2:10, 5 hours means 1:10, 6 hours means 12:10, 7 hours means 11:10, 8 hours we have to come. Then here 10:10, and we have to come back again 20 minutes. See, try to subtract 20 minutes before 10:10. See, if I subtract 20 minutes, first I will subtract 10, then it has become 10. Okay, then what will come if we subtract 9 again 10 minutes means, see, it is 9:50. See, 10 o'clock means what? 10:60. If we subtract 10, we get 9:50. This is what? 20 minutes. Now again one more thing is what? Whether we have to write AM or PM. Yes? Tell me what we have to write. See, 6:10 PM. It started at PM. When we came back here, we have started with 12:10. Okay, 12:10 is noon only. Okay, PM only will come. Then 12 is noon. Then before that, what will come? Here started AM. So this is what? AM. So the answer is 9:50 a.m. Clear? Yes? Very good. Now we will solve story sums. The remaining two examples of B question, very easy, as we have solved first one in the same way. The third one was confused. They are given minutes also along with hours. So I have solved for you. See the C question. Story sum. A train leaves Allahabad at 8:35 a.m. and takes 3 hours 30 minutes to reach Kanpur. At what time does it reach Kanpur? Now they are given starting time and the duration, isn't it? We have to find out the finishing time. Okay, so we will start writing here. See, when it starts at 8:35 a.m. Okay, the duration is 3 hours 30 minutes. Then I will count 3 hours here. 8:35 after 9:35 means 1 hour. Then 10:35 is 2 hours. 11:35 is 3 hours. Then 3 hours 30 minutes. From here I have to go 30 minutes again. See, 11:35 after 30 minutes, if we add in this, what we get? Yes, tell me. See, here I will show you. If we had 30 minutes, these are the minutes. Okay, 5 as it is, 6 and 11. See, 11:65 we cannot, because here is more than 60. We need to convert 65 into conversion. We have to do minutes into hours. 65 minus 60 is 5. So here if we add 1, it becomes 12 hours 5 minutes. So 12 5. This is what? 30 minutes. Here again the thing is whether to write AM or PM. We have completed the duration. Okay, we have started with started time, we have ended with finishing time is 12:05. What it is? 12:05. Yes, AM or PM? See, once 12 will come here, between this what will come? 12 will come. 12 is what? Noon. So after noon what will come? PM. So of course it is 12:05 PM. So at what time does it reach Kanpur? Yes, you can write here. A train reach at Kanpur. A train reach Kanpur at 12:05 PM. Clear? Yes, understood? Very good. Now one more example I will solve for you. Now I will solve third one for you. Okay? See the third one. A cricket match lasted for 3 hours 30 minutes and it ended at 2:30 PM. Here by mistakenly point came here. 2:30 PM. At what time did the match start? Now they had given duration and the end time. Now we have to start. We have to find out the start time, isn't it? So you know that how to find out? Yes, we have to write right side corner 2:30. Okay, what is the duration? 3 hours and 50 minutes. Then I will come back for 3 hours and 50 minutes. See, we have started with PM I'll come 1 hour. 1 hour means 1:30. 2 hours means 12:30. And 3 hours means 11:30. Now I have to come back for 15 minutes. Okay. Now see, just imagine the clock in front of you. 11:30. Come back 15 minutes. 11:30. See 30 minutes if we remove. We get 11. This is 30 minutes. Again, how much we have to come? Total is 50. See from 11. If you come back for 20 minutes, it is become 10:40. Yes. Just imagine the clock and try to write. Okay. So here what will come? 10:40. See, 10:40 a.m. or p.m.? Yes, students, tell me. It ended at 2 p.m. but when it started 10:40, see here 12:30 came. Between this 12 is there, means noon is there, isn't it? So before that what will come? All a.m. So what is the answer here? 10:40 a.m. So how you can write in the sentence? At what time did the match start? A cricket match starts at 10:40 a.m. Clear? Yes? Is that clear, students? Very good. Now remaining fourth and fifth example you are going to solve by your own. Second, fourth and fifth. Okay? Now today we have completed our exercise 4.7 also. Now what is your today's home assignment, students? Some examples I have solved. The remaining examples you are going to solve by your own in the graph book today itself. In the next episode we are going to see the time interval in days. Okay? Try to recall your memory about the all months and days, January to December, and how many days are there in each month. Do you remember this? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Yes, try to recall your memory and do the revise of the days and months. How many days are there in each month? We will see in our coming episode about that. Till that time, bye bye, take care and thank you.